हेलो, हाय एवरीवन। मेरा नाम लीज़ा है और मैं एक बड़ी यूट्यूब स्टार नहीं हूँ और मेरा कोई इतने सारे फॉलोअर्स नहीं है, पर मैं एक नर्स हूँ और यहाँ पे लंदन में काम करती हूँ, यूके में। आई वर्क एज मेट्रन। मेट्रन मतलब आपके वार्ड में नर्सेस है। नर्सेस का जो है शिफ्ट लीडर्स है। यू हैव अ शिफ्ट लीडर, देन you have a ward leader which is a ward manager, and then I will come as a matron, as a supervisor, matron supervisor. तो वो लेवल पे हम लोग पूरे बहुत सारे डिपार्टमेंट्स होगा और I will be working alongside consultants, service managers, and other people who will be looking at, from the operational part of view. But at the end of the day, I'm a nurse. और मेरी पढ़ाई जो है वो बॉम्बे में हुई है. That is why I speak Hindi. But I'm a Keralite. My parents are from Kerala, and but I was born and brought up in Bombay. तो हिंदी ज़्यादा, fluent होती है. But I've been in London for now 18 years. I've been a nurse here. तो बहुत सारे जो है वो छूट जाता है. I used to speak very fluent Marathi and Hindi, but now I don't. तो COVID-19, आप लोग सब इस नाम से डरते हैं. I know. So if you are saying I don't care, don't lie. I know you are all worried because I'm worried as a healthcare professional, because I see the number of deaths. I see the number of people getting infected. I see the number of people getting infected, even those who are fit. तो आप सब डरते हैं, मैं भी. पर हम लोग सब प्रिकॉशंस ले सकते हैं. जैसे कि you have a possibility of dying, getting out of the house and crossing the road. If you don't follow the traffic rules, you have a possibility of dying. It's the same way. It's the same way that you have the possibility of dying from COVID. Now, what can you do? So, I'm going to go through two steps. Okay. First is how to prevent you getting COVID, because that's ye sabka jo worry hai. Secondly, if you ever get infected, bad luck, then how can you prevent to get it worse, and how can you still remain fit and healthy? ये दो चीज़ मैं बताऊंगी आपको. तो सबसे पहले है कि आप बाहर जाएंगे, obviously inevitably you are going to go outside. You go for once a walk. यूके में तो आपको once a day walk allowed है. तो आप once a day walk allow, go for it. Please keep yourself fit, healthy, mobilizing. That's all fine. लेकिन आप जब जाएंगे, इधर उधर हाथ मत लगाओ. ओके. ओ फूल लिया, ये लिया, वो लिया, सब जगह टच मत करो. Go, keep your hand to yourself, and then go wear a mask if possible. And when you go to supermarket, more important, wear a mask. Gloves डालने का कोई ज़रूरत नहीं, because what's the point of wearing gloves? Because अगर आप gloves पहनेंगे, because you are thinking now you've protected yourself. तो आपने अगर सुपरमार्केट में हो आप और आपने कुछ चीज़ लिया, यार मुझे ये नहीं चाहिए था, रख दिया. Now you are fine. Remember, that thing is not fine. Somebody else will touch it and they will possibly get what you have in your hand. So that's basically, so what it doesn't protect others. Now, does it protect you? तो आपने लिया वो चीज़ जो बहुत सारे लोगों ने लिया. Now suddenly you're sneezing and you've now given it to yourself, because you're thinking, oh, I'm wearing gloves, I'm fine. Are you really? No. Because अगर आपके पास gloves नहीं होता तो शायद आप ऐसे करते, you would have prevented it, or you would have taken your handkerchief if you are used to carrying handkerchief. तो gloves से कुछ फ़र्क ज़्यादा नहीं है from a healthcare professional point of view. But if you are, make sure you don't touch your face, you don't touch your anywhere unnecessarily. दूसरी ये है कि आप जब बाहर से आते हो, आप हाथ please wash it. When we are saying wash your hands, we are not joking. Really, wash your hands and use that happy birthday twice, 20 seconds. So आप जब हाथ में जो लेते हो, tap खोलते हो, make sure you clean your tap once you wash your hands, okay? Because once you wash your hands, you clean it, and again you just wash, and then that's it. At least you've done that part. तो आप जो है soap लिया, lather किया, make sure you clean it nicely, then you interlock it this way. Then you're going to do that, thumbs, ये जो ऐसे. And then wrist, don't forget the wrist, because if you're wearing watch or something, so make sure you take the watch off and you wash up to here. Agar aap healthcare professional, to you have to wash till elbow, because there is a possibility you must have touched. तो ये आप हाथ वॉश करने का, और घर पे आप सब चीज़ क्लीन रखिए. स्पेसिफिकली हॉट पॉइंट से आपका रिमोट, आपका डोर हैंडल्स, फ्रिज का हैंडल, ओके, द की that when you come home, where you hang your keys, make sure you disinfect all that. आपका जो अभी तो डेटॉल वाइप सब जगह मिलता है, तो आप डेटॉल वाइप से सब एक दिन में एक बार क्लीन करिए. एंड when you come from outside also, make sure you clean everything with that. Now, when you're washing up, I mean, I prefer to wash things with my own hands rather than putting everything in dishwashing. तो उस वजह से मेरा और भी washing आजकल हो रहा है, because at least I'm making sure I'm washing my hands. Now, second, despite doing all these things, bad luck, you got COVID. Don't have to worry. It doesn't get you like, it's not like a gorilla who will come and attack you and suddenly you're dead. No, it rapidly grows. The growth is rapid. You might get sick very quickly or you might not. It really depends on your immune system, but it takes time to grow in your body. तो अगर आपको ऐसा लग रहा है यार, I'm not feeling well, I've got a bit of sore throat, a bit of itchy throat and a bit of running nose, something is happening, my body is reacting to a virus, you feel it. And especially if you're in tune with your body, you will know that कुछ तो हो रहा है यार मेरे साथ, ये I don't know if it is COVID, it might be flu, whatever it is. First of all, make sure you keep yourself hydrated with hot fluids as much as you can. Now, the problem with hot fluids is you don't feel thirsty. You don't feel like you've quenched your thirst if you drink hot fluids. So, आपको ऐसा लगेगा कि यार ज़रूर, what's the point of drinking hot fluids, because I don't feel like thirst is done. But make sure you drink at least 3 to 4 liters of water, warm water. अगर आपको टेस्ट पसंद नहीं है तो आप उसमें लेमन डालो या ग्रीन टी पियो या हनी डाल के पियो, जो पियो. इफ़ यू आर ड्रिंकिंग विथ हनी, ऑब्वियसली मेक श्योर यू आर नॉट ड्रिंकिंग हॉट, लूक वार्म भी चलेगा, but make sure you keep yourself hydrated, okay? Now I have got the tendency to scratch my face. Look, we all have that. So secondly, make sure you eat nutritious food matlab leafy vegetables. ये डाइटिंग करने का टाइम नहीं है, ओके? आई मीन, आई हैव गिवन अप माई डाइटिंग, आई पुट ऑन वेट, इट्स फाइन, बिकॉज आई डोंट वांट टू डाई, आई वांट टू लिव फॉर सम मोर इयर्स. तो मैं डाइटिंग सब छोड़ दिया और मैं अभी खाना खाती हूँ, 3 टाइम कार्ब्स खाती हूँ, या जो भी. आई ईट माई रोटीज़, आई ईट माई राइस, आई ईट माई वेजिटेबल्स, आई ईट माई दाल, कर्ड, दही, अचार थोड़ा सा लिया, because obviously if you don't have taste in your mouth, make sure you eat that, but make sure you have a wholesome meal. तो आप इंडियन अपना ब्रेकफास्ट जो है बहुत अच्छा होता है. We have our poha, upama, idli, sambar. Even if you have toast with bread, toast with eggs is also good. That's a good breakfast. अगर टेस्ट नहीं है तो आप थोड़ा सा चटनी, कुछ कोरिएंडर एंड मिंट का चटनी बना दो, उसके ऊपर स्प्रेड डाल दो, best, excellent. Or you can have paneer burji, you can have egg burji. Make sure you eat properly 3 times a day along with fruits. And if you want to eat, munch on carrots, cucumber, that is also good for you. Now, the third is make sure you exercise. Aap jab, if you don't feel well, you just want to lie in bed and you don't want to get up and you want people to pamper you. And if you have a lot of family members, quite possibility that you are going to be pampered. पर मैं बोलूँगी कि आप निकलो, बेड से उठो सुबह, do your normal clothes, get out of your nightie, wear your normal clothes, brush your hair, put some lip gloss or lip balm on and look nice, feel nice, and go down. If your bedroom is upstairs, go downstairs, make your food, do something. If you are unable to do some light yoga, better. If you are able to do some light breathing exercise, very good, because that will expand your lungs. Your lungs will have small alveoli, that's like grapes, small grapes, and those are air filled like sacs. What happens is, if you don't keep that going like that, it will collapse, and then it doesn't have the capacity to open with the air, and therefore that's how you don't get lungs, air जो है lungs में नहीं जाता. तो आप थोड़ा एक्सरसाइज कीजिए, that is really good for you. And the last thing I want to say is try and put a mask if you're going out. If you think you're infected or you have some sort of flu, put a mask when you go out, because now your droplets are very infectious and contagious. And it doesn't come from just sneezing. Even when you're talking, अपना जो है droplets वो थोड़ा थोड़ा ऐसा हवा में जाता है and those droplets will have the virus. So make sure you have that, and then try not to go outside. If you can avoid big places like supermarket, please आप मत जाइए. तो ये था कोविड के बारे में इन अ नटशेल. इट्स नॉट बिग डिटेल्ड, और ये इसका कोई साइंटिफिक प्रूवन नहीं है, बट फ्रॉम व्हाट आई हैव सीन फ्रॉम माय फ्रेंड्स एंड फैमिली, ये काफ़ी it has been helping them. There are a lot of my friends and family who were infected. They were COVID positive, proved on a swab, and then they were fine. They were like, like they recovered. They are not fine. अभी तक काम पे वापस नहीं गया, and because they're very lethargic and उनको breathless बहुत जल्दी हो जाता है. तो इसके वजह से they are taking their time and recuperating, but आप भी रिकवर हो सकते हैं. हम सबको फ्लू हुआ है लाइफ में, और हम रिकवर किया है. And COVID-19, it's a different type of virus. There was no COVID 1, 2, 3. ये COVID-19 है. तो ये जो है, इसको COVID-19 इसलिए बोलता है कि it was discovered in 2019, because every now and then virus will try to mutate, just like us humans. It will try to survive, because हम लोग जब vaccine, when we create a vaccine, which means that the virus will eventually die out, and then the virus can't live, they survive. So in order to survive, they'll mutate, they'll come under a different strain. तो हम लोग को जो है कोविड डिफरेंट स्ट्रेन भी होता है, SARS हुआ है. So there are a lot of viruses that has happened. But the problem with this virus is this is highly contagious, and the person who gets infected deteriorates very quickly. तो ये एक चीज़ है इसका मेन, you have to remember that. I think the social distancing will continue for a little while. We have to be prepared for that. आपका social distance जो UK में, especially London में, तो बहुत होगा, because if you think of it, there is a possibility there is resurgence. ये वापस, you might see a peak, and we really don't want that to happen, and especially our children. We don't want our children to suffer. So stay safe, take care, and remember, wash your hands, stay hydrated, eat good food, exercise, and bring positive thoughts into your mind. Do some yoga if you can, do some meditation if you can, do some prayers. It will really help you. Take care, stay safe, God bless.